today's tutorial, I'm making a tube dress. First of all, I folded my material just once. This is for the front aspect. So now the tube, there's no hand, so I'm starting from -5. That is from the chest point. You have to take the measurement of the chest point before you know determine what I want to use. So the half length is 18, but I'm using 18.5 for sewing along. So I measured from -5 to 18.5. So my bust is 46 divided by 4, which is 11.5. I added 6-inch allowance to it, which is 16.5. So now let's cut. So now I'll be folding 4.5 here. The person is very busty, that is why. If it's normal person, I'll be folding only 4. So now I'm folding 4.5. So now after we folded our 4.5, which we have here, so now my -5 now to get the under bust, which is 15, but I'm making use of 15.5 for sewing allowance. So after that, this is my -5 to 15.5. So we'll count 1, 2, 3 inches. Then we'll mark it at the half point. This is the half. So you can come down here. You can use 2, you can use 3, depending on what you want. For me, I'm using 2. So the next thing for me to do is to do like this. So after that, then I'll come to this place. I'll mark my neck. I'll use 1 inches for it. I'll use 1 because the person is very fat. So the next thing for me to do is to same thing we did for the front, we'll do for the back. Still from -5 to 18.5. Then the same wide we used for the, but the same wide, the wide I used for the back was 16, but I reduced it with half inches. I don't want the allowance to be more. So this one, there's no need of you dividing or cutting of neck because it's a tube dress. So all you need to do is just to divide this side for the zipper allowance. So that is all. So please don't forget to watch my tutorial on how I made the lovely dress, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the subscribe button. This is the way I fix it on my lining. You can see the way I fix it after joining the lining. So the next thing, this is how we sew it, like this. Come here, enter here, then go, then we sew the side. I'll sew the side. So now okay, as you can see, I'm done sewing. So the next thing for me is to turn. So after you've turned it, the next thing for you to do is to sew this area of the neck. You can see the way it is. So you can see the way I'm top stitching the neck so that it will balance very well. Top stitching it. Okay, so this is a part. You can see the way I folded it. I make sure this end join this end here, and also the same thing here. You can see the way I folded it into 2. So the next thing that I did was to start my tip. Since we are using -5 to get the dip of my neck, which is 9. So I'm making a sweetheart neck. So this is how we do it. Then come. So I'll start my cutting from here, and here. Make sure you fold it very well. So you can see after cutting it, this is the way it looks like. So we'll join our lining, then we'll put our lining and sew from this edge here, then here.